Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you the Nike Air Force One coverage with the Supreme. Okay, first let me show you the shoe box. As you can see, the shoe box is triple black color, and as the size label here, you can see Nike Air Force One, and the size is 40. Now let me show you the shoes. Yeah, the color is the triple black. Now let me show you the whole view of the shoes first. The color is very special, and you can see the side patch with the Supreme sign, and the shoes comes with extra shoelaces with the Supreme logo, and here you can see the medal AF1. Okay, and the shoe charm, you can see the Nike Air Force, and also with the Supreme. Alright, now the black patch, you can see the stitching Nike Air, and the insole, you can see the insole is also with the Supreme and the Nike. Alright, and the label and the inside label, you can see here. Okay, now show you the bottom. Yeah, the triple look is the classic Air Force look, you can see, and the bottom is also the classic Nike Air Force bottom. Okay, and another pair you can check. Okay, also show you the tissue paper. You can see the tissue paper is full of the AF1. Okay, and this is the whole shoes. You can check. Okay, and this is what I show you guys. And if you are interested in these shoes, you can check my info, and I have put my information on my description. Please contact me. And this is Lynn. See you next time. Bye.